Let's do font, because tomorrow's class I'll be doing some special part of CSS, and that from there, honestly, try your hands on whatever we've done today. From tomorrow's class, we'll all be able to command web pages very well. We'll talk about flex boxes tomorrow. I'll explain flex boxes. That is another special property that makes people cry in CSS. Flex box, it's painful. All right, so font. Normally we put a font attribute or the font property in the all selector, so that star means all. Okay, that is applied to all elements. So we say that font dash family, font family is not font type. Microsoft Word is font type, but inside this one we say font family. Okay, font family, and it will specify some system font for you. Okay, you use something like Korea New, Franklin Gothic, whatever. Come on, man. We have something I always see Virginia or something. Verdana. I like that font, Verdana. And then sans serif. Then later on, I'll have to teach you about sans serif and then the use of fonts. But then let's say just use sans serif and see. Sans serif is very beautiful, very nice. Sans serif is very beautiful. After Arial, Poppins, sans serif is very nice. That means a type of font without ending, those chisel ending points. But a serif type of font, the serif will be having pointed ends, and then they are also having their use cases. All right, let's look at Google Fonts. How can we connect our website to Google Fonts? Let's see Google Font. Let's see. Let's pray that it works out. And Google Fonts. All right, Google Fonts. Google Fonts. So the first line I can click on Google Fonts. Then we want to put font styles from Google. So if you don't have the particular font the font style you want to put in your web browser, in your website, like all what you saw whenever I type the font family, look, all these things that came out, they are my system font. Okay, right now if I use Korea New, Korea monospace, sans serif, and then someone want to open your website in their phone and they don't have this font in their phone, things will jeopardize. Everything will just get basa, everything will scatter apart, because it cannot render the output text with that specified font that you've put here. So it's very risky to just type sans serif. If sans serif is a universal or global font type, then fine. But if that font type is not universal, please avoid that. When someone opens your website in their phone or in a device that does not have the font that you specify, it will cause a very big mess. You can put a font family to inside every element. So let's go back again to the HTML, to the Google font. So we have to look for the font that we want. Let's say Poppin. Poppin is very beautiful, just nice. Poppin. Some people can also use search for any type of font that they like. And when you scroll down, you've seen it in Arabic and this is somebody's language. Yeah. So get fonts. All right, when click on get font, you will be given a chance to download the font over here, or you get the embedded code, which is what we need. Okay, so they will also take you through how to use it, your design, your developmental process as a developer. Yeah, and they will also tell you some more use cases and things about that particular font that you have selected. Okay, yeah. So we say get embedded code, and then this is the embedded code. Okay, so this is the web, and the web, this is the link, and then this is actually what we need. Okay, the link we are going to copy it, or if you want the styling, honestly, so we don't need the styling. This is the styling. Okay, but then we can copy the link that is keeping this particular font type that we search for, Poppins, so that when people open our website, it will know the Poppin font from Google people. Yeah, Google themselves. So let's click on copy, Then we'll come to our code, VS Code. Inside our index.html, we have to what? Go to the head. So that where you say head and the place where I put our link, I like to put it here. Control plus V to paste everything there. Let me scroll back. It's very long. It's a very long link power. Also, and then you go back again to your web browser. Nothing has happened. So you have to go to your style of CSS. Instead of saying sans serif, let's say Poppins. Poppins. Or is it Poppin? Alright. And A. Poppins. 0 plus S. A. Alright, let me see. More, and it got very beautiful. Remove the Poppin and see. Control plus S. So that has turned to this kind of serif fonts. Put the Poppins back. Control plus S. Go and check and see. That's now become very beautiful.